Hello students, this is Mallanna from Kadapa district. Today I am going to share you some techniques from the topic LCM and HCF. Every question consists of two parts. One is information part and the other is question part. Without using all the information we get answer. How? I will teach you now. See here, the HCF of two numbers is 11 and their LCM is 7700. If one of the numbers is 275, then the other number is. First option is 279, second option is 283, third option is 308, fourth option is 318. So here we have to find out other number. To find out other number, this HCF is enough. HCF is 11. So this information is enough to get answer. I don't require this 7700 and the one number. HCF of the numbers is 11. Other number also in 11 table. That means numbers, the two numbers must be multiple of 11 or the two numbers must be divisible by 11. So whenever you are asked one number or the other number, just use HCF to get answer. Now HCF is 11. To get that number, I check these options. So the option which is divisible by 11 will be the right answer. To check whether a number is divisible by 11 or not, we take alternative numbers. 2 next to 9. 2 plus 9, 11. This middle number 7. Difference of this number is 4. If we get that this difference between these numbers 11 or 0, then only that number is divisible by 11. So here I am not getting 11 or 0. That's why this number is not divisible by 11. Again 2 plus 3 5. This middle digit is 8. Difference of these two numbers is 3. 8 minus 5 3. So this is the wrong answer. 3 plus 8 11. Middle number is 0. Difference is 11. So this will be correct answer. 3 plus 8 11. Middle number is 1. Difference is 10. This is wrong answer. If we get 0 or 11, then only that given number is divisible by 11. So among these options, 308 is divisible by 11. So this will be correct answer. Stop. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 21 and 4641. If one of the numbers lies between 200 and 300, then the two numbers are. This question was taken from R.S. Agarwal book. First option is 273 and 363. Second option is 273 and 359. Third option is 273 and 361. Fourth option is 273 and 357. So I am reading the last line, that is, then the two numbers are. Question part starts from after comma. So the two numbers. Here two numbers are given. To find out the two numbers, we require only HCF. If we know HCF, you can get the numbers. So here HCF is given 21. That means the given two numbers must be divisible by 21. If you observe the first column, all the numbers are same. 273, 273, 273, 273. So we need not to check first column. Only second column numbers must be checked. Second number must be in 21 table. 21 table means we can split into 7 into 3. Next, that number must be divisible by 7 and must be divisible by 3. But only one checking is enough. 7 enough. If we divide these numbers, the option which is divisible by 7 will be right answer. Now I am checking. This is not divisible by 7. This is not divisible by 7. This is not divisible by 7. 7 5 are 35. 7 1 is 7. So This will be the right answer. The ratio between two numbers is 15:11. If their HCF is 13, then the numbers are, first option is 75 and 55, second option is 105 and 77, third option is 15 and 11, fourth option is 195 and 143. Here we are asked to find out the two numbers. Two numbers are given here. To find out those two numbers, HCF is enough. In this problem, HCF is given 13. That means these two numbers must be divisible by 13. First I am checking this first column. This is not divisible by 13, so wrong answer. This is not divisible by 13, so wrong answer. This is not divisible by 13, so wrong answer. So last is the right answer. We can check this. 13 1 is 13, 60 is left, 65 it becomes 13 5 is 65. So this is my correct answer. In the ratio 5:7, then their LCM is 315, then their product is. This question was taken from R.S. Agarwal book. First option is 2358, second option is 2385, third option is 2538, fourth option is 2835, last option is none of this. Here we are asked to find out product of the numbers. Here to find out product of the numbers, in the first line we are given the ratio of the two numbers. First number is in 5 table, second number is in 7 table, their product is 35. That means correct answer must be divisible by 35. So 35, if a number is divisible by 35 means it must be divisible by 5 and divisible by 7. Now I am checking 5 divisibility. If whenever the last digit of the number is 0 or 5, then the given number is divisible by 5. Here there is no 0 or 5. That means this number is not divisible by 5. So this is wrong answer. Here this answer contains 5. So this is right answer. Here there is no 5 or 0. So this is wrong answer. Here last digit is 5. So it will be right answer. So here I am getting two options. Out of these two options, again the correct answer must be divisible by 7. So this number is not divisible by 7 table. This number is divisible by 7. 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35. So this is my correct answer. Continue. What is the least number which when divided by 5, 6, 7, 8 gives a remainder 3 in each case and is completely divisible by 9? First option is 677, second option is 1683, third option is 2523, fourth option is 3363. This question is taken from R.S. Agarwal book. See here, we have to find out least number that must be divisible by 5, 6, 7, 8 and they give a remainder 3 and that number must be divisible by 9, completely divisible by 9. So this clue is not required. I am applying only this clue. That least number must be divisible by 9. This is enough to get answer. So now the option which is divisible by 9 will be the right answer. To check whether a number is divisible by 9 or not, we add all the digits of the given number. If the sum is divisible by 9, then the given number is divisible by 9. Now I am adding 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 7 21. 21 is not divisible by 9. So this is wrong answer. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 is divisible by 9. So this number is divisible by 9. So this is our right answer. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. This is not divisible by 9. So this is wrong answer. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 is not divisible by 9. So this is wrong answer.